Please sit down. The chair lady had introduced me in such a way that I was a little bit conscious about what the picture would look like later. Almighty God has been gracious to all of us, for me and my team to be here today in the midst of such august presence of our community and leaders of our people in Bangalore. I thank Almighty God for this opportunity to be here among all of you amidst the guest of honor, Srimati Sarah Fatima, IPS, the DCP from Southeast Division, Bangalore City. Madam, it's a pleasure to sit with you and to listen to your concerns and your love for our community too. All the respected officers who have accompanied me all the way from Nagaland, Higher Education Department, Tourism Department, and also my friend, Brother Arvind Damani, who is a BJYM National Executive Member. He is also from Nagaland. The President of NSUB, Bangalore, I would call her Miss Uzukam, and all her esteemed office bearers and colleagues, thank you for inviting me to your 55th Naga Students Union Freshers Meet. The various student bodies here in Bangalore from our community, the Nagas, the church leaders of all the various tribes that are here, and also the northeastern organizations who have come here to participate in this freshers meet. Press and media fraternity, elders of our community who have accompanied me, you have made me so welcome by coming today morning and meeting me so personally. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Elders of all the various community that are here, businessmen, even the technocrats working in various companies, my dear students and my dear freshers who have come all the way from Nagaland to study and to do well in your academics here in this great city of Bangalore. It gives me immense pleasure to address all of you. Many a times, when you leave your home and you come to a new place, especially for the freshers, you may have a lot of doubts, you may have a lot of fears, you may have a lot of apprehensions. But remember, one thing for certain, no matter the chaos amongst our people are one. Our God is one. And the blessings and the prayers of your family, your loved ones, your mother, your father, your brothers and sisters, and your people are with you in the corners of Bangalore City. Wherever you may be, remember that our God will bless you if your efforts are genuine, if your heart is genuine, and if you want to do well, not only for you, but for our people. One or the other day, I'm going to be here with my officers. I will try to meet as much as possible with all of you. Brillantia Festival is also there, starting from today. I'll be there. I was very pleased when our Naga Students Union Manipur president and his colleagues were here, he was addressing the concerns of our community in Manipur too. His concern and his doubts and his assertions reflects our own heart to each other. Let us stand as one everywhere we may be or anywhere. From this dais, I would like to actually and really thank the people of Karnataka. The people of Karnataka have been kind to our community. Let it be known through all of you, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you live. Let it be known and let it resonate through all of you to be thankful to the Kannada people, to the people of the city of Bangalore, that they have taken you by their bosom, and you need to resonate to give back. I think the theme for today's program is that, to give back. Nagas with a purpose, fostering the culture of giving back. Nagas are known to be brave people. We all know that. Nagas may be small in numbers, but we have fought our battles. We have fought our battles for ourselves. We have fought our battles for the nation of Bharat. And we have not any time run away or turned our back from our responsibility as a Naga towards our nation also, and towards the nation of Bharat. Today, when you are in this city, a cosmopolitan city of Bangalore, do not run away from your responsibility of being a Naga citizen here in Bangalore. No matter what, resilience is the game. Perseverance is your strength. Patience is your weapon. We, the people of the hills, the Naga hills, living beside so many states, you have come here to Bangalore to pursue excellence for yourself and for your community. If you don't have the perseverance, if you don't have the patience and the commitment to reach your agenda, then you will be lost. Many a times I tell our people in Nagaland, and wherever I go among our Naga brothers and sisters, we look forward as a state, as a people, to be the most prosperous in this nation of Bharat. We look forward that our people will be a blessing wherever we are, in whatever we do, and in whichever place we commit ourselves to. Today morning when I was with the our Union Bangalore leaders, our pastor was saying, out of the total GDP of this nation, the Northeast contributes only 6%. And out of that 3% is contributed by the wonderful brother state of Assam. So where does the remaining 7 go? Nowadays we are not 7, we are 8. We have a vibrant Sikkim with us. But it is not to foster regionalism that I'm talking about it, but to foster as a people My dear young friends, in my heart I wanted to answer that to my dear Reverend immediately, but I took some time so that I can say it to all of you. The human resource that the Nagas are, that the Mizos are, that the Tripuras are, the Meghalayan people, the Arunachali, the Sikkimis, and all Northeast, including Assam, can be one of the most enriching human resource that this nation of Bharat can have, and can be excellent throughout the world. Where we the Nagas have committed, we have prevailed. Ma'am, I'm not promoting the fighting and the stabbing part, but Nagas are crazy, ma'am. But wonderfully crazy. We have watched only Bruce Lee movies on the screen. You just allow them and ma'am, they will show you all the different kind of styles. Don't you think so? But when it comes to an agenda, we forget our tribe, we forget our class, we forget our egos, and we become one as one people. Just like here, when you say one struggle and one goal. Kindly resonate what you have written on this. Kindly resonate what you have written on your emblem. If we only write, put it on our t-shirts, on our clothes and on our books, but have no imprint of it in your heart and in your mind, then it will be forgotten after today evening's great musical evening. But if you take it with you, with all of your soul, then you call it an agenda. And my dear young friends, what do you call a vision? Vision is something that you continue to commit yourself to even after you are no more. Vision is something that you persevere for. Can you leave all these side issues in the path of your persuasion and work on the agenda? Can we not do that? I wish many of you out of here would become excellent businessmen and women, teachers, entrepreneurs, pastors, reverends, IPS, IAS, and even serve the people of Karnataka. We remember one IPS officer from Mizoram who was, I think, the commissioner of Bangalore city also. And he got elected as a member of parliament from this state. I'm not trying to bring political impetus here, but we can serve the people of Karnataka. We can serve the people where we are. By your zeal to pursue excellence and not leaving the track of your agenda, you can achieve for everybody along. Leadership means responsibility. My dear young friends, I was telling the NSUB officials last night at around 1 a.m. in my room, when the Ansam president said trust is an issue. You give responsibilities to each other. You are a big community here. I heard Nagas are approximately 10,000. 10,000 in the city of Bangalore. How beautiful it is. But in wherever you go, whatever you do, remember to be humble and be decent with the native people here. Remember to accept them as they are. Don't make who you are be an issue of what they are. We have different cultures, different traditions, all to be respected and honored. Many a times the issue for we the Nagas come, we are like this, why are they doing this? If you don't build your narrative, how will the people of Bangalore city know who you are? And you should not be known for fighting or stabbing, like Madam was saying. Or you should not be known for using narcotics or bringing sunflower powder from the northeast. You should be known for your contributions in whichever capacity you are, wherever you are, by being a kind young man and a woman to the shopkeeper who is there, to your house owner, by being the helpful hand ready always to pick up, to drop, not only for your community, but for the community around you. And then we can resonate who we are productively. My dear young friends, all the way from Bangalore, you are going to come back again, one day or the other, through your holidays, to meet your family and friends. Kindly be grateful to them. Kindly be good to them. In very simple words, I want to say, after studying here, you don't want to help your mother pick up her bucket of water because you are from Bangalore city? Please don't come back like that. We don't want that. You live here. You don't want to help your father do menial works? We have sent you here with hope. We have sent you here with all the dreams that we have done achieve. We have sent you here with our prayers. My department, higher education, and we were discussing, our people are living here. What can we do for them? And many other cities, Nagas are living. We want to visit all of you. We want to build bridges with the governments of that cities and the people of that state. We want to build relationship for all of you and all of us. But if you do not resonate the goodness of being a Naga here, how will we build bridges? You are the pathfinders, not the name of the movie, okay? You are the pathfinders for us. So that we can reasonably work on certain important needs of the Naga students who are studying here in Bangalore city. We have been discussing with our Honorable Chief Minister and amongst our department also that we might ask for a plot of land where we can build at least a 500 or 1,000 bedded hostel for the Naga students. And also at the same time, maybe in due course of time, have a Nagaland house in Bangalore. So let us work together. Let us be good citizens here in this city. I know I don't want to just come here and not recover my flight tickets and my hotel stay with my officers. So let me take some more time. Only to speak 10 minutes and go away is not good. It doesn't recover my cost at all and the department's cost. You have to be great ambassadors of tourism. You have to be great ambassadors of tourism. We are looking forward to the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival this year at Kisama, Kohima. We welcome all of you also. We welcome the communities that are living beyond the borders of Nagaland, our Naga brothers and sisters, to come and consummate together the festival of unity, the festival of the Hornbill at Kisama. It is an international festival, and we hope that you will also be, each one of you will be brand ambassadors of bringing the people of Karnataka, the people of Bangalore to Kisama in Nagaland for the Hornbill Festival. My dear young friends, I've already invited Madam, the DCP, to come with her family. And I've told her I will be her host and we will not send her back for 10 days. So let us all try to work on an agenda, work on our goals. Let peace prevail amongst each other. Let us excel here. Then only your excellence is not just about what you achieve, but as you work here and live here and study here, be a blessing to the communities here. I'm glad what NSUB has been trying to do, having cleanliness drives and works that gives impact to the society here at Bangalore is commendable. And I pray that all the various Naga tribes and the communities that is here, I request that we should live here with impact to the society here in Bangalore city. The land of opportunity, the Silicon Valley of IT. Last time when I was in Bangalore, I just came here for some political works. And then after 1 or 2 days, I had to leave. But this time I could feel the weather. It's excellent. Better than Delhi weather. Better than Dimapur weather. It's pleasant here. And from my hotel window, I could see the, forest, the mangroves, where eagles are also flying in. I hope you all are not eating all the animals. Be careful. Ma'am, we are known where we go, animal population decline. But it's not that we eat them, ma'am. We just chase them away. Otherwise, tomorrow's headlines will be Naga minister says, eat all the animals. No. I have to be careful here. So, let us resonate what we can do best. Even in Nagaland, higher education department, we are doing our best. Our officers, our professors, they're working very hard. Government of India is kind enough to help us. The state government, under the leadership of our Chief Minister Nefurio, is excelling in higher education. Today, government colleges cutoff is higher than private colleges in Nagaland. Today, we are unable to give seats in government colleges in a big number. We are working hard. Our officers, they are dedicated. Two of them are here from higher education. They are keeping silent, but I know how hard they work. And likewise, we want you, as you have come here for better education in your institutions here in Bangalore, do well. Don't give up on this opportunity. I will go back after a day or two, but I will take back the memories of your unity here. Memories of these vibrant colors that still shines in the faraway land among the Kannada people here. Maybe sooner or later will continue to come, but we want you to keep your peace and be united at all costs. Help each other, push up each other to excel. A little help from somebody could do wonders for that other person. And ma'am, I assure you that our state government will work together with the government of Karnataka. We will meet them, we will also write to them, and the Department of Higher Education will surely keep one cell for our students' issue here in Bangalore to be connected with Kohima in the Directorate of Higher Education. If possible, in the near future, we will try to send one nodal officer from Higher Education Department to Bangalore. And I think even for tourism, not only in Delhi and in Calcutta, but we should also send a nodal officer, a tourism officer to Bangalore. In that way, we can facilitate and work within ourselves and amongst our community in bigger ways. It has been indeed a great time talking with all of you. I take it as talking with all of you. I wish you all the very best, especially the freshers. Do well, know each other. Don't try to know each other by your tribes. Try to know each other by who you are, as you are, and resonate who you are here. Our elders are here from all the communities. Kindly do not give up on these youngsters. The human resource of our state is of utmost importance. We don't want lazy people to come back. You can stay here. We want people who are knowledgeable and willing to work hard to go to every corner of the world, to go to every corner of Karnataka and come back to your native land to do something worthwhile. Your education is important, not your literacy alone. Being an educated person means you are compatible to every situation to live peacefully. Your certificate will not lead you to a government job in Nagaland nowadays. You will have to excel and do well. Then only it can happen. Like before, it is no more a political assertion. The state government of Nagaland looks forward for complete transparency in appointments to jobs that are for eligible, merited people. I'm not saying that to frustrate you, but I'm encouraging you all to venture out, to work hard, and be a contributor to your community, to your society, and to your people. Many a times, I've seen in Nagaland people coming back from Bangalore, from Delhi, from various places, saying, I've done masters, I've done this, that. and they don't even move their back. They expect things to come to their mouth. They expect things to just happen for them. If you are going to be like that, then the city of Bangalore may be able to upkeep you. But it will not be a giving back to Bangalore also. Even Bangalore city will not want to keep you here. Because you have to pay your rents, you have to pay your PG price. Nagas are very bad in begging. So, make your stay worthwhile. I'm stressing on this much more. Make your stay worthwhile. Learn everything that you can learn. Do not covet what is not yours. Learn from the people that are barons here. So, and teach to each other. Do well for our people. That is very, very important. The new ideas that you learn here resonated to us. Nowadays, you are far better learned than us. You are completely up to date to the newer generation of things that is to do. The right things, not the wrong things only. And above everything, as I conclude my speech, as I always say, try. Try to do everything possible in your power and ability to do. Don't be afraid of failures. If you don't try, you will not even achieve failure. As a minister, I do try many things. And I fail in a lot. But my failure is a success to take a better step the next time. And keep on curating that failure until it is a success. So don't be afraid to try. Try to work hard. So thank you, my dear friends, for inviting me here. NSUB, the only lady NSUB president, 55 years and you have come. She is actually the Goliath. And I'm not David. So congratulations to you and your team. God bless you all. Huk Nalim and Jai Hind.